Hi friends, you all know that Ikea makes a lot of products for organizing and especially organizing your work table or study table or office room. And in this video, I'm going to show a few such products which I bought and I found them very useful. It's always difficult to keep a headset like this. You don't find a proper place for this and it is lying down, picking up dust. And I've got one product here, IKEA product, which is perfect for keeping such big headsets and small earphones, a tablet, or even a mobile phone, which is perfect on the study table or a desk or a bookshelf. And just 149 rupees. This is the Mergely Kit, newly launched. It's perfect for keeping all these things organized in a small place. So this is a place where you keep the mobile phone or your iPad or tablet, and this place is for the headphone or the small earphones. Both big and large can be kept. So this is made of galvanized steel and it has got rounded edges. So this is how it looks. It's lightweight at the same time very sturdy, and it stands firm on any table. It's also available in black color. One more IKEA stationery product which I bought in Bangkok is this Vagus notice board. It is made of cork and the frame is white and it is made of solid aspen with acrylic painting, and its size is 58 centimeter by 39 centimeters. I have hung here horizontally depending on my availability of space here and my requirement. It can be also hung vertically, and it is hung on the wall with two steel galvanized suspensions. Along with this, you get a box of 15 pins, which comes like this. I've already placed a few here. So this is nickel plated pins or nails on which you can fix anything. So it's ideal for notes or things to do list or a greeting card or your favorite picture. Even a post-it you can fix. So you can use it to your imagination, and it's not only ideal for your study desk or office room. You can even use it in your kitchen, and you can fix recipes and notes, or your vegetable list or your grocery list to be purchased. So you can use it to your requirement. I just want to add here that this product has not yet been launched in IKEA India, but still I wanted to share this product because it's really very useful. I'm sure soon they'll be adding it with the other products in the Hyderabad store. This is Vivala tablet stand made of bamboo. It is 26 by 17 centimeter. So this is quite strong. It is 340 grams in weight, quite sturdy, and it is ideal for both tablet as well as you can even place your recipe books or any book which can fit in this gap. So it's perfect for that, and you can even mount it on the wall or on a tabletop like this or on your worktop in the kitchen. So you can see I've kept in that page. This is Vivala. See, so here they've shown it hung on a wall rail. You need a wall rail, and IKEA recommends Kungsfors or Sanerista rail for that, for hanging it on the wall. I have shown this being hung on Sanerista wall in my kitchen. I'll show it. It is 899 rupees. I had bought this at Bangkok. This came with a groove. Now it is a single piece of bamboo without any groove. So for that, IKEA recommends it to be hung like this. This is a Sanerista rail, and you just keep it like this. You can use your iPad here to watch your shows, or even your cookery, or you can refer to your cookery book like this. You can keep seeing and then doing your cooking. So it's perfect for both books as well as your tablet. Nowadays, every household has at least 3 to 4 mobile phones, including tablets. I have shown two products useful to keep mobiles and tablets. I'm showing one more product which I brought at IKEA. This is Bergness. It looks like wood or plywood, but it is not. It is made of bamboo. So you can see there are two grooves. that is of two different thickness. Here it is thicker and the thinner one. And this thicker one is for tablets up to a size of 11 inches, and also for mobiles which are thicker. Like this mobile is thicker, so I can use this wider groove for keeping this mobile, whereas this one I can use for thinner mobile. So you can keep like this, and it's also useful to keep like this for while charging. So it's a very handy and cute product. Just 99 rupees. It's a very good gift item. The best part is it's not plastic. Are you a book lover? I've got one interesting product to show you. See, this book doesn't stand on its own. It needs support. It keeps falling. But look at these books. They're just kept on the table, but they're not falling. Wonder how? This is what is keeping it from falling. This is Ikea's product. It's called Botna powder coated steel. It is a bookend. It's kept on both the sides like this. This is what keeps the books from falling. And you can keep it along with any other things on your table or on your shelf. I'm sure any of you who are interested in books will definitely want to keep this product. It's very cheap. It's just 199 rupees. It comes as a pair and in different colors. Hope you liked the video and the products shown. Keep watching my channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching.